Hi guys, I am Mukhtar Joya, Director General Shaheen Shorthand System, Unseen Newspaper Notes, page number 47 and 48, dictation speed 80 words per minute. If you want dictation at 60 words per minute, then set speed on 0.75. And if you want dictation at 100 words per minute, then set speed on 1.25. Ready? Start. The current budget allocation for health cards in Punjab is around rupees 80 billion, roughly 20% of the total health budget of the province. Full stop. If things go according to the reported policy, this ratio will steadily change in favor of more and more health funds channeled through health cards. Full stop. In a bid to compete in the market to attract more customers, the private sector hospitals will provide better and better services to the patients. Full stop. The days of untidy public sector hospitals and their sluggish services will be over. Full stop. Enticing as it looks, the situation reminds me of another policy adopted many years ago, which continues to haunt us, the private sector power plants. Full stop. The decision making process was identical. Full stop. The discourse generally starts from identification of an immediate public need that cannot be fulfilled by an inefficient and lethargic public sector. Full stop. The efficiency and alacrity of the private sector are then presented as a natural solution to the immediate problem. Full stop. If there are any doubts in the minds of decision makers, they are dispelled by citing the international best practices. Full stop. This model of making payments to private hospitals on a disease classification basis has yielded undesirable outcomes even in the West, where there are much stronger regulatory and financial controls. Full stop. Private hospitals, like all businesses, make profits through increasing revenues and reducing costs. Full stop. In a system where pre-established prices are paid for different disease types, it is not hard to imagine the kind of game playing that hospitals will opt for to increase their revenues and reduce their costs. Full stop. Wrong diagnosis or classification to get paid for higher priced diseases, early discharge of patients to save costs, and a reluctance to accept those difficult patients where the cost of treatment may exceed the preset price are a few examples of games that Western hospitals have been reported to have indulged in. Full stop. This game playing has been observed even in hospitals in the Scandinavian region, that is otherwise known as the least corrupt region in the world. Full stop. Our situation will likely be much worse, and the reason is simple. Full stop. Charming as it may sound, privatization of healthcare means altering the fundamental value on which the doctor patient relationship is built, that is care. Full stop. When care gets replaced with a concern for cost optimization or profit maximization, comma, cheaper stents become a logical business decision, comma, not a devious choice of an amoral clinician. Full stop. The current regime is rightly concerned with the state of healthcare in the country. Full stop. But the solution may not be its privatization. Full stop. The information asymmetries and the criticality of the service make it the least fit sector to be left to market forces. Full stop. If this genie comes out of the bottle, comma, we may see another private power production saga. Full stop. Only this time, comma, we would not even be able to see it unless a whistler blower tells us about the faulty parts plugged into our systems. Stop rating, please.